Okay, so tell me what is the biggest problem with AI coding agents? Probably, let me guess. You start working on something, you work on it for hours, you done everything to the AI coding agent, you done every architecture and decision that you have and every thought that you have, and then you start a new conversation. The agent forgets it all. It forgets what you told it 10 conversations ago. It forgets all the instructions that you gave it. That should hurt. But why did that actually happen? Agents don't have a context problem, they have a very huge context span, but the context that they use is very short lived. That is the real problem here. But what if you had a tool that could remember it all for you and your AI coding agent so that every time it needs a specific context for something, it can just make a tool call and just use that information right there. That is what this is about. So I'll just show you how the setup looks like here. Yep, cool. So I'll just go to the project that I have. All right. So this maintains a knowledge of your entire project, uh, how every file is connected to each other. So I just visualize that. All right. So this keeps a track of all the connections that you have in the entire project, every particular function, every particular intent that you have in the project is connected to what. And let's say the agent modifies a specific code block. It knows that which different paths it connect to. So it has an idea that these are specific location it has to modify. So moreover, and show you how the agentic setup looks like. So my bad. All right. So I'll be using open code here and and open the code base here. Okay, so we give it a very small task uh, to tell me the next step of the project, and let's see what it does. By the time it is doing that, uh, I'm sorry, I'll just show you how it actually does these things. So there are multiple CLI commands with this. There's this log command which logs the states of all the symbols. There's this status command which gives you the short status of the project, and whenever you're coming back to the project you can just use this resume to get to know what to work on next. And yeah, by that time the AI gave us the response. So yeah, it tells us that there's a unresolved intent that we have to look into. Created this a long time ago. I have to look into it. Okay, fine. Then there are a few to dos that we have to address. There's the code health. All right. Cool. Information is enough. I'd like to know more about the refactor intent. Tell me more about it. All right. So by the time it is generating the response, I have something else to show you guys. So initially, when I built this project, I didn't want to integrate it with AI agents and all. So essentially, this project is entirely CNI based, so you can control it with hand. Uh, and there is also a TUI which you can use to control everything that you can type commands in the terminal for in a UI. So I can just add a to do here, whatever I want, create a severity for it, high, medium, low, and it can get updated right away, reflected in the code base. So it is on very well built here. Okay, so it gave me the response. What was this about? Cool. So now I have an idea what I was thinking in the project a while back, so I can continue with this uh, intent and probably resolve it. Cool. So this was how this works. This is what this is. So I'm still building this project. There are a few bugs here and there, but I still love for you guys to try it out. If there are any issues, just hit me up. Just let me know about it. But yeah, overall, this is stable right now, so you can use it. More or less, that was all that I had to show you guys. All right, cool. Peace out.